I will show how to buy shares of Arcos Dorados Holdings Inc., the company that operates quick-service restaurants across Latin America, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ARCO. This is educational content and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds to be able to buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ARCO to find the listing. Locate the Arcos Dorados Holdings Inc. result and select the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm you have the right stock. Verify the listing shows Arcos Dorados Holdings Inc. and the ticker ARCO on NASDAQ. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be pending. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to visit the platform.